The PGD2000 and PGD3200 make up Titan's commercial line of post drivers. They are powered by a Honda 1.3 horsepower 4-stroke engine and come backed by a 1-year warranty with a limited lifetime warranty on the hammer. The PGD3200 takes it to the next level with a 3¼ inch barrel. A 2-inch reducer sleeve is included, allowing the PGD3200 to drive posts from 1 inch to 3 1/8 inches in diameter, all at 1850 beats per minute. Weighing 45 pounds, the PGD3200 is still easy to handle and ready to help you master any post-driving job. These drivers are 100% self-contained. The need for hoses and power sources is eliminated, which saves money.